Hello students, very good morning to all of you. I am Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School, Nevada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the 5th video lecture of the class 9 of Unit-3, Chapter-2, that is our students' word software. That is our software. Okay, students. So now we will discuss the word software. Okay, students. In the last video class, we have discussed the hardware. For a computer, both of the components are needed, hardware and software. Without hardware, the software cannot run, and without software, the hardware of the computer cannot be handled. Okay, students. The students both have needed for the computer, hardware and software. Okay. In the last video class, we have completed our hardware component. That means how to take the data from the input device, how it will be processed, and how to give the result. Yes or no, students? Today we will discuss to take the input, processing and output. For what type of the instruction we will need? For that we need the software. To run the computer, to run your hardware components of the computer system, we need the software. Okay, we need the software. By the help of the software, we can easily run our computer system. Otherwise, the computer can never run. Okay, you can open the computer, but no any of the information will be visible on the computer screen. Is that clear, student? So student, now come to the software part. Okay, student, as we know that, student, what software is the what, student? We know that it is a set of programs on which, or it is a set of program which is controlled the all operations of computer. Okay, student, it is a set of programs which is control the all operations of computer. Okay, students. So for this we must need the software. So without software we cannot the hardware components of the computer run. Okay, students. So this is our software. Okay. So student, the software is divided into 3 categories. The software is divided into 3 categories. What are the students? One is your system software. One is your system software. Another one is your student application software. Another one is your application software. And the third one is your student what? Programming software. Okay, student. In this way, the software can be categorically divided into 3 types. That is our system software, application software and programming software. Okay, students. Now come to the student what? System software. Now we discuss the what? System software. Students, system software is the software which is a collection of the instructions that manage or handle the hardware components of the computer. Okay, students. The system software is the first type of the software for which the collection of program that is managed or controlled the hardware components of the computer system. So by the help of the system software, okay student, the system software is very needed. Without the system software, student, the computer can never run. Okay, that means no any of the information will be visible. We cannot do any type of the operation in the computer system. To operate any type of the operation in the computer, we must need the student system software. Is that clear? Is that clear or not, students? Okay, the student, the system software is a such type of the software, and it is a collection of the programs that manages or handle the hardware components of the computer system. Okay students, for run a computer we must need the system software. Okay, is that clear or not? And the system software, student, the system software example is the what, student? Operating system. Okay, this is the best example of the system software. So by the help of the operating system, your computer is running. Otherwise, you cannot do anything. Okay, the operating system is the main part. Okay, student. Another thing I have forgotten to say in the software, student, part I have written here. It is a set of program which is control all the operation of the computer system. That means it will be operated inside the computer. For that, we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot feel. Okay, if we cannot see, then how to touch, then how to feel that one. If the question will come, write the differentiate between hardware and software. So this point you write that one. Okay, hardware we can see and touch, but the software we cannot see and touch. Okay student, is that clear or not? Okay, software can be operated inside the computer. Okay student, is that clear or not? And hardware can be handled by the software. And that is the very important is your operating system. Is that clear student? Okay, the system software example is your operating system, and operating system examples are the student part Windows, Linux. These are all the examples of the student for operating system, which is very necessary for running a computer. Okay students, so now system software complete. Okay, next one is the student what? Application software. Next one is your application software. Application software. So student, the application software is also a collection of the programs, okay, for extra operation of the computer. That means, once again I am telling you, application software is a source type of the software for which we can extra type of the operation in the computer system. To entertain in your computer system, we need the application software. So application software is a collection of the program. Okay, it is a set of instructions that perform a particular task. Okay student, that perform a particular task. System software is a collection of the program that manage or handle the hardware components of the computer system. Okay, and also system software is also used to control the some application program. Okay student, by the system software can control the application programs in the computer system. Remember this one. If question will come, write the difference between system software and application software. You write the answer. System software is a collection of the program that controls the application program of the computer and also handle some of the hardware computer system also. Whereas the application software is also collection of the program that is designed to perform a particular task. So application software is used to perform a particular task, particular operation, and system software controls the application software. That means, for example, application software, student, what are the application softwares are example? Okay, student, application softwares examples are pen, notepad. Okay, student, pad, notepad. Then another one you can take MS Office. Okay, students, that means in the MS Office so many again softwares are there: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So these are all the different type of the application software for which perform a particular task. So pen work can never be done in the notepad. Notepad can never be done in the MS Office. Okay, student. That means different type of the application programs are performed the particular task of the differently. Okay, student. Is that clear? So this is our application software. Okay. Next one is the student what? Program. System software completed. Application software completed. Now come to the word programming software. The student, programming software is a such type of the software for which a user can easily do the programming in the computer. That means user how to develop this application program. That is the help of the programs. Yes or no? That means to make a software we need the programming language. Okay, we need the programming language. The student, to make a software we must need the computer and we need also software for which we can write the program, to write the instructions. Okay, that means on which software or in which way we can write the programs. Okay, student, to write the programming languages, to write the instructions in the computer. That type of the software are called as the what, student? Programming software. Once again I am telling you, programming software is the such type of the software, or programming software is the collection of the program for which a user can make a programming in a computer. Okay, so programming software, by the programming software a user, that means the programmer, in which person you can tell the program, those users are make the software, making the or develop the software. And to develop the software, student, we need programming software. Okay, student, that means in which we can write the programming language. To write the programming language, we need the programming software. So by the help of the programming software, we write the programming language. That means if normally MS Word you write the programming, that means, student, for example, in the some of the programming software examples are C, C++, Java, yes or no, student? MSW logo, MSW logo. So these are all the, student, what programming software for which we can make the different type of the application software and also system software. Okay, student. So student, the programming software only what the programming language can only understand by the programming software. Okay, student, is that clear? That means you cannot tell in the Microsoft Word you can type, in the Notepad we can type, but they cannot understand that instruction. That type of the programming instruction can only be understood by the programming software. Students, I am telling some examples. Okay, some of the programming instruction. Okay, some of the instruction for the C language is, student, printf. Okay, student. Scanner. Okay, student. Is that clear or not? Another also printed scanner. We can take also in floor. Okay, students, is that clear or not? Square. Okay, so students, so many, these are called as the functions, so these are called as the instructions. Okay, student, we can also get in, okay, void input, void display. Okay, that means void display, void show, see in, see out. Students, these are all the what I am telling, just little bit of the examples. I am telling the some little of the examples. Okay, student, these are all called as the student what? These are called as the student programming instructions. Okay, student, programming instruction. Once again, writing printer, scanner. Okay, students, and we can tell also see in, see out, void show, like this. These are all the source type of the instruction, and printer, scanner are called as a function. These are called as the statement. These functions are of the, or instruction are of the C programming language. See in, see out are the word instruction of the C++. So in this way, student, this type of the instruction can never understood by the MS Word or Notepad. This type of the instruction only understood by the programming software. Okay. So for this student, we need the programming software, for which you can easily develop the different type of the application software. Okay, student, is that clear? So in this way we have completed our software. Okay, student, you read this one, you watch this one, and some of the question I am giving you, and do that one and show me the answer. And the questions are, students, listen to that one. Write the difference between hardware and software. Question number 1. Question number 2, write the differentiate between system software and application software. Question number 3, what is programming software, and give some examples. Okay, student, so in these 3 questions you write and show me. Okay, student, that's it, student.